In this example, a triangle is to be enlarged with a scale factor of 2 using the origin as the centre of enlargement. Let's just digest this bit of information first. A scale factor of 2 would mean that it's twice the size. And the origin as the centre of enlargement means that you're projecting it from this point. So from the origin, you count the squares. You count 2 across, 1 up. And you repeat that once more to get a scale factor of 2. If you were to do that for all the points, you would get this triangle here. Then it's asking you to translate that. -8, 1. By translating it, you're moving it left and right and up and down. So this point here is now going to be translated -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then up by 1. -8 and 1. Remember, of course, that I could just look at the coordinate here, 4, and then I'm going to go to -4, and then from 2 to 3. And once I've got this one, I'm just copying the same shape. So I don't really need to translate each other coordinate. I can just draw the same shape. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares up. So I'm just going to draw 6 squares up, and then 4 squares along, and then just join them up with a diagonal. And that's quite an easy way of doing the translation there. But the final part then is asking the coordinates of the corners of the triangle are 2, 1. So the final part is what single transformation would have given the same result. So to go from A to C, it looks like an enlargement, and we could work out where the centre of enlargement is by just doing the same thing as we did before. So from this coordinate, we would draw a line to the coordinate of the original triangle, and then with a straight line, see where these lines cross. So then I would do the same with this coordinate, that point to that point. Now at this point I haven't drawn this with a very good straight line. I'm going to start counting the squares. So to go from this corner to this corner is 2 down and 4 across. I'm going to go 2 down and 4 across to here. So I know it's in this line. And finally, the top corner to this top corner is how many squares down. I should do a cross really first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you go. This looks like the centre of enlargement. So it's asking for what single transformation. If it's enlargement, that was worth 3 marks. The first mark is for writing enlargement. The second is the scale factor. And the third is the point of enlargement, I should say, from. So the scale factor, I've got to make sure about I'm getting the order right here. So is it going from A to C, or is it going from C to A? The coordinates of the corners of the triangle are these, which was actually the small one. What single transformation would have given the same result? So it is going from A to C. It looks like it's getting bigger. So the scale factor would be, well, if it started at 2 and then it got to 4, the scale factor is 2. If it had gone from C to A, the scale factor would have been 1/2. So it's important to know which order you're doing this in. And from is now going to be the coordinate 8 minus 1. And 8 minus 1 is a coordinate. It's not a vector like this. I have to do it as a coordinate.